What if I told you that every step you take could earn you real money? No hustle, no stress, and no special skills. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Sweatcoin pays you just for walking, how much you can realistically earn, and how to cash out your steps for real rewards, gift cards, or even PayPal cash. Stay with me till the end for a secret tip that will double your earning speed. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's walk our way into some easy money. Sweatcoin is a free app that turns your steps into digital coins, called Sweatcoins. These coins can be exchanged for gift cards, physical products, PayPal cash through special offers, or even crypto if you've got the Sweat Wallet app. It's available on both Android and iOS, and get this, it's used by over 120 million people worldwide. Here's a quick fact for you. In 2023, Sweatcoin users generated over 27 billion steps a day. Just imagine if all that movement actually meant money in your pocket. Alright, so here's how it works. Step 1. Download Sweatcoin from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Sign up and allow motion tracking permissions. Step 3. Just walk. The app converts your outdoor steps into Sweatcoins. For 2025, the earning rate is about 1 Sweatcoin for every 1,000 outdoor steps. There are daily bonuses available in the app too. And just a heads up, indoor steps are tracked if you go premium, but honestly, outdoor steps are more than enough to earn for free. So how do you actually get paid? Your Sweatcoins can be redeemed right inside the app's marketplace. You've got options like PayPal cash offers, which are available for a limited time, gift cards for places like Amazon, Apple, and Adidas, and even fitness products like earbuds, yoga mats, and other tech gadgets. If you're into crypto, you can use Sweat Wallet to convert your Sweatcoins to Sweat Crypto. Here's a pro tip. Refer friends using your invite link and you'll earn 5 Sweatcoins instantly for each friend. If you invite 20 people, that's 100 free coins, just like that. Alright, so let's talk about what you can actually earn. If you're a light walker, getting about 3,000 steps a day, you'll probably see around $5 to $10 in value each month. For moderate walkers, closer to 7,000 steps daily, that jumps to about $15 to $25. And if you're a power walker hitting 10,000 steps or more, you could make $30 or more, plus extra from referral bonuses. It's not a get-rich app, but it rewards what you already do. Walk. Some users even cash out over $50 a month with minimal effort, especially if they refer friends. So, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's 100% free, it encourages healthy habits, you can earn real products and cash rewards, it's super easy to use, and you can get bonus earnings from referrals. But, there are a few downsides. It only counts outdoor steps unless you go premium, PayPal offers aren't always available, and honestly, earnings can feel a bit slow if you don't walk a lot. Overall, Sweatcoin is awesome for passive earners, people who walk regularly or want to build a healthy side hustle. Here's a bonus tip. Turn on Daily Boost. This feature lets you double your earnings for 20 minutes each day. So, if you walk during that window, like when you're commuting or exercising, you'll earn twice the Sweatcoins. Another trick? Link your fitness band or Apple Health or Google Fit for improved accuracy and better tracking. So if you're looking for a fun, passive, and healthy way to earn a little extra cash, Sweatcoin is a no-brainer. You're already walking, so why not get paid for it? If you're going to give it a shot, comment "step below." The link to download Sweatcoin is in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more app reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.